a walk. She's a very social today. She's been like, let's do it. Let's go.
Hi, Dee. Hi, Dee.
It's me, you know. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, boy. I don't trust Monica. Is this Monica?
Yes, it is.
I don't trust Monica. Hi, Monica. I don't trust you. Hi, Graham.
So it's not going to happen.
Then there's no sense in leaving that bird outside of the aviary. So we should try to integrate Ziggy and Lily.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Let's see what happens. Let's get those birds.
Yep.
But we'll do it in the morning with Monica.
Yep. I don't know what we're going to do about Shenming.
Okay, Shen's going to have to be
We
like
always,
Brandy.
we
you know?
always end up having to pull Shen.
Yeah, so he's not going to work out in the aviary with
No.
the other birds. And, you know, neither is Brandy. As much as that kills me. You know, they're just too aggressive, too pushy. They're cockatoo.
Handle Brandy and he gets in trouble. He gets down off the cage, he runs around, he bothers other birds. Your bird's a pain in the ass.
He's a problem child.
He's not an aggressive bird, but
He's pushy.
He's aggressive.
He's willful.
Bites the crap out of me. They all do that. All the white birds hate Patty. It's not surprising. I don't know.
You know. You guys look great on camera.
Right, Mary? Hi, Mary.
Karen, what are you doing? Okay. And Ray Ray. Oh, hello, Rainbow. What you doing? Are you gonna... Oh, hi, Rainbow.
Cage. Oh, here. Sorry. I was having a moment.
Who is that?
It's Birdie. Hi,
I was
Birdie.
having a moment with Birdie. Every now and
Oh,
then.
Birdie deserves a moment.
Yes.
Yeah. Watch out, because she'll kill Mark.
Well, she'll probably rip my face off if Mark
Well,
sees it.
I'm gonna go then.
Smile, Cat. Tell him how much fun it is to watch bird dishes at foster park.
Then we all expect to be hand-fed their own.
You're going to be a superstar.
Doing the stair stuff.